Okay, hello for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Going back with me, Mr. Amin Mo. So, how are you today, guys? Are you good? Yes, I hope that you're better than yesterday. So, what we are going to learn or to know for today. So in this really awesome evening, I would like to share you 6 that help you become better reader and also healthier reader. Okay, speaking about reading activity, do you ever read that in the middle of process you are stopping your activity to read because several problems such as like you are get bored to what you read, or probably you are too tired to keep your activity, or another problem. So I have 6 things that will help you become better and also healthier reader. So let's check it out for the first one. So for the first one, you have to have your purpose or your aim to why you are reading. That's really important for you, also for your future process. I'm sure that reading is not a really funny activity for somebody, but the thing that you have to set for the first in the beginning of the process you may start your reading activity is that you must have your own aim or purpose. Why I am reading? For example, I am reading because I need to have some references to what I will get a research, for example. So I'm reading for a research. So then it's deals with the second tips, that is you read what you want or your passion, because for the first you have set your purpose. So for the second, be going back to the passion or the thing that you like to do or like to read. For example, I do really like to read historical Islamic book, for example. So I would really having fun while reading this kind of books. So it will also make your reading really become easier. And for the third one, you have to set the goal or the target. So for example, in this I will set my goals to be weekly reading purposive. So in this week I would like to finish a book about historical Islamic book. So I will catch on this target to have my book finished. So even I got a little time or short time to have a reading activity, but I have target. For example, like today I just got a short reading time, but tomorrow I have really more time to do, so I will cover to tomorrow. And for the fourth one, you have to make this reading activity to be your routine. So the thing is the consistency, because reading is not as funny as you think, or it is really hard or difficult for beginner to feel that reading is fun. So you have to make it as your routine. So for example, it is better if you read a book for only 2 pages in a day, then you will read a whole day in a whole book, but for another day you will not read. That's not good. So it's better than less is better than never. So keep your last pages day by the day, but you will start continuously up to the next day. And for the fifth, the thing that for me also really helped me to keep my spirit to read every day or every time, it's I would read a book review. For example, like a testimonial review from the scientists or even from the experts of kind of book that you read. That will help you, that will increase your motivation to keep your reading activity in the next day. And for the last, that's really help you to keep engaged in this kind of routine, that you will join a club, kind of reading club. So if you are joining a club, if you are getting a low motivation to read, your friend will help you to then you will remember that you have to read several pages in today. So your friend will help you to keep you stuck in your routine. So that's all the tips. For the first one, you have to set your purpose, why you are reading. For the second, you may probably or you prefer to read what you want to read or your passion. And for the third one, you have to set your goal or your target. Probably it will be weekly or monthly or even daily. And for the fourth one, you have to make this kind of activity as your routine. Last better than never. So 2 pages daily 2 pages is better than a book in one day only, and you don't read in another day. And for the fifth one, you may read or listen to several people or several experts of the review of the book that you would read. And for the last, I suggest you to join a club that will help you more. And thank you for me, and that's all for today. Hopefully it will help you to love reading more. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video. Bye bye.